Hello everyone. Today we're gonna go over switch statements. Similar to if-else statements, switch statements are used for decision making. So in if-else, uh, we run the code based on some kind of a test condition. If the condition is true, we perform some statements. If not, we either test for something else, then perform some steps, or we go to the next. Similar to if else, we are doing switch case. Switch will take an argument, usually a number or an array or some kind of argument. Based on that value of the argument, you go several cases, and each case will have its own steps. In this program, the user is going to input a day, the number of a day, and the program will print out what day of the week it is. So let's just go over the code. So you have, like every other program, when you are entering in some kind of value to the computer, you have to import this scanner class. So import Java to scanner class, and inside of my main method, first declaration is in choice. That choice variable is I will keep what the user inputs. Then I initialize the scan class by giving the variable name. Then I ask the user to enter a day, and I use print statement because I do want the enter to user to enter on the next line. I could use printf too if I want to modify it. Then I take in the variable whatever the user inputs, store into the choice. Now comes the switch. I'm taking the switch based on the value of the choice. So since in this case, since I'm looking for a day of the week, I have 7 choices, actually 8 choices if they don't enter 1 to 7. So there are 7 cases right here. So each of the cases started with the value of the choice, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If the user enters 1, the program will print out Monday. Now, when you're working with each case statement, switch case, you need to enter break after every case. So the compiler knows that, hey, I'm reaching the end of the statement under the case, I need to exit out of the program completely. So if the user enters 2, Tuesday, and it will go to the next part of the program if there are any. But then the question remains, what happens if the user does not enter either 1 through 7? What if they enter 0? What if they enter 100? That's where the default statement comes in. If there are any numbers that's not part of the case statement, it will print this out. So if I enter any number besides the 1 to 7, it will print this out. So let's run some various cases. So I'm going to run this. The first number I'm going to try will be 4. So if I write the program, if I write the program without any errors, if I enter 4, it should print out Thursday. And since I have nothing else, the program will exit. Let's run it one more time and try a number that's outside 1 to 7. Give it a second. And I'm going to try 0. And it will give me, you did not choose the correct number. The default statement is very similar to the else statement in a if else statement. If none of these cases work, print that. That's what they call default. I hope this video helped you.